Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a very simple topic but very important for all the students of 9th standard. Okay, so as you can see the topic behind me on the board. What is the topic today? That is nth root of a real number. Okay, so let's begin. Get ready with your notebook and pen at least and try to understand the things. Okay, so ready. Now we shall be dealing with a particular type of irrational number whose nth power is a rational number. Okay, and n be a positive integer. We are going to deal with a special type of particular type of irrational number whose nth power is a rational number and n is a positive integer. Okay, so let us consider. मान लेते हैं for illustration let x be a positive integer, x be any real number we can say, x be any real number, x कोई भी एक real number है, x be any real number and n be a positive integer. Okay, then the number which when raised to the power n gives x. जो number जिस number को हम n power तक अगर लिखते हैं, the number is raised to the power n, then it gives x is called the nth root. Okay, is called the nth root of x. जैसे कि और हम उसको कैसे लिखेंगे? Then the number you can write it also. Okay, let x be any real number and n be a positive integer, then the number which is obtained, okay, the number which when raised to the power n gives x is called the nth root of x. Then the number which when raised to the power n gives x. Written? Yes. Which when raised to the power n, raised to the power n gives x is called nth root of x. It is written as nth root of x. Okay, so it is written like this. Symbolically it is written like this, nth root of x. इसको समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमने एक इंटीजर ले लिया है, कोई भी एक रियल नंबर ले लिया है. मान लेते हैं x is the real number and n is a positive integer. ये positive integer है. x is a real number, n is a positive integer. ठीक है? और then the number which when raised to the power n gives x. वो नंबर जिसका पावर हम n टाइम्स जब लिखते हैं तो हमें x मिलता है. क्या मिलता है? x मिलता है. तो उसी को हम क्या बोलेंगे? Then it is called nth root of x. Nth root of x, and it is written as nth root of x. It is written like this, nth root of x. Okay, so for illustration, let us consider an example. Okay, जैसे कि आप सभी को पता चल ही गया कि nth root of x कैसे लिखा जाता है. nth root of x, इसका और भी एक मीनिंग बनता है. जैसे कि हम इसको लिख सकते हैं x to the power 1 by n. ठीक है, n to the power x. Okay, nth root of x. nth root of x कैसे पढ़ेंगे इसको? nth root of x can be written as x raised to the power 1 by n. Okay, तो इसको समझने के लिए all of you know that 2 cube is equals to 8. 2 cube मतलब 2 into 2 into 2 is equals to 8. सबको पता है ये तो? All of you know this. Then only 2 will be equals to 8 to the power 1/3. Only 2 will be. ये इस 3 को अगर आप उस ओर शिफ्ट करते हो तो ये it will become 1/3. So 2 is equals to 8 to the power 1/3. And 8 to the power 1/3 x to the power 1 by n can be written as nth root of x. So this can also be written as cube root of 8. Okay, so the number which when raised to the power n gives x, यहां पे let x be the number, let x be the number and n be the positive integer हमने ले लिया था, x be the real number and n be any positive integer. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या बोला, the number which when raised to the power n, वो नंबर जिसका पावर हम n गुना बढ़ा देंगे, n टाइम्स बढ़ा देंगे तो हमें x मिलेगा. तो हमें क्या कहेंगे कि n root of x. So the number which when raised to the power n gives x is the n root of x. तो यहाँ पे the number which when raised to the power n gives 8 is called n root of x. n root of x, that is cube root of 8. यहाँ पे 2 का पावर क्यूब है, 2 का पावर क्यूब है और 2 का पावर क्यूब हमें देता क्या है 8. ओके, तो हम 8 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8. 2 को हम किस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, 2 कैन बी रिटन एज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 8. So one more example let us take. All of you know that 3 cube, what is 3 cube? Calculate 3 cube, 3 cube, 3 cube. Yes, it is 81. Very good. You are doing well. 3 to the power 4, 3 not cube, 3 to the power 4 is 81, 3 cube is 27. Okay, so 3 to the power 4, all of you know that is 81, 81, 3 to the power 4 is 81. Now only 3 will be 81 raised to the power 1 by 4. Yes, raised to the power 1 by 4, raised to the power 1 by 4. 3 to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 4 gives 81. That means only 3 will be 81 raised to the power 1/4. Or 81 to the power 1/4 can be written as 4th root of 81. 4th root of 81 is 3. Alright, so this way we are writing the nth root of a real number. So hope you have understood up to here. 3 to the power 4 is equals to 81. Therefore 3 can be written as 81 to the power 1/4. That is 4th root of 81. Okay. Nth root of x is x to the power 1 by n. We are applying the same only. बहुत ही सिंपल सा तरीका है, बहुत ही सिंपल टेक्निक है. अभी यहाँ पे एक डिफरेंस जो है आप सभी को जानना जरूरी है, क्योंकि क्लास 9th और 8th स्टैंडर्ड में या फिर कभी कभी 10th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों में भी ये दिखा जाता है कि आप लोग लिखते कैसे हो. मान लेते हैं 3 रूट 5 है, तो कभी कभी आप लोग ये भी ऐसे लिख लेते हो 3 रूट ऑफ 5. सो आर दे इक्वल 3 रूट 5 एंड cube root of 5, are they equal? Of course they are not equal. They are not equal, never ever equal. What is the meaning of this and what is the meaning of that? इसका मीनिंग ये बनता है 3 into root over 5, 3 times of root over 5 इसका मीनिंग होता है. पर this is quite different. The meaning of this is 5 raised to the power 1/3. The meaning is this. Alright, so 5 raised to the 1/3 and 3 times of root over 5, they are different things. So you cannot write this as this or this as this. They are quite different. So you have to understand what is asked. Now, ये तो था डिफरेंस, इन दोनों के लिखने के तरीकों में डिफरेंस है. आप लोग इसको ध्यान रखना, ये गलतियां मत दोहराना. अभी जो बात है, ये आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. तो यहां पे जो ये n है, n को हम बोलते हैं, यहां पे हम फिर से लिखते हैं यहां पे n रूट ऑफ x, n रूट ऑफ x, ये वाला यहां पे जैसे ही ऐसे लिखा गया तो हम इसको बोलते हैं रेडिकल साइन. ये जो सिंबल है ये उसको बोला जाता है रेडिकल साइन, RADICAL, रेडिकल SIGN, रेडिकल साइन. ठीक है, ये रेडिकल साइन हो गया. देन n को बोला जाता है इंडेक्स. व्हाट इज दिस? इंडेक्स, INDEX, इंडेक्स. ठीक है, और जो अंदर है जो x है इसको बोला जाता है रेडिकल. व्हाट? दिस इज कॉल्ड रेडिकल. ओके, n इज कॉल्ड इंडेक्स, n इज कॉल्ड इंडेक्स. यहाँ पे n इंडेक्स है. ये जो सिंबल है इसको बोला जाता है रेडिकल साइन, और जो अंदर होता है इसको बोला जाता है रेडिकल. ऑलराइट, So hope you have understood. And after this, okay, तो हम इसको कैसे बोलेंगे? nth root of x, sorry, nth root हम कैसे बोलेंगे? So nth root is written as, or nth root is read as radical sign of index n. इसको हम कैसे पढ़ेंगे? It is read as radical sign of index n. इंडेक्स को कभी कभी हम ऑर्डर भी बोल सकते हैं, ORD, या ऑर्डर n भी बोल सकते हैं, रेडिकल साइन ऑफ ऑर्डर n और रेडिकल साइन ऑफ इंडेक्स n. ठीक है, तो और दो एग्जांपल्स हम मान लेते हैं कैसे लिखें. ये ऑर्डर कुछ भी हो सकता है, जैसे कि nth रूट मैंने बताया, तो ये स्क्वायर रूट हो सकता है ऐसा, तो हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. दिस स्क्वायर रूट इज नॉट रिटन लाइक दिस, एक्चुअली इट इज रिटन ओनली दिस. ओके, बोथ आर having the same meaning, that is x to the power x raised to the power 1 by 2. Then हम क्यूब रूट लिख सकते हैं इसको. इंडेक्स अगर हमारा 3 हो गया तो क्या हो गया? ये हो जाएगा, it is equals to 1/3. Then fourth root of x is equals to x raised to the power 1/4, and so and so. Fifth root of x can be written as 1 to the power x raised to the power 1 by 5, and so and so. अभी आपको ये पता चल गया होगा. तो इसी तरह nth root of x can be written as x to the power 1 by n. ठीक है, so hope you have understood up to here. After that, let's see what can be done. That is, let us talk about this. Cube root of 5 can be written as 5 to the power 1/3. Then cube root of 8 is written as 8 raised to the power 1/3. Okay, again 8 we know 8 can be written as 2 cube, right? 8 को हम 2 cube भी लिख सकते हैं, और पहले से ही 1/3 है, तो whole to the power 1/3, that will give you 2 to the power 3 into 1/3, that is 3 cancel, and ultimately it will give you 2. That is cube root of 8 is equals to 2 we are writing, and this is the process how we are expressing. All right, I think now you have understood this nth root of a real number, how nth root is expressed. Okay, and what is the meaning of this nth root we have understood, I think. फिर से एक बार मैं रिपीट कर देता हूं. कोई भी एक इंटीजर मान लेते हैं a, और कोई भी एक इंटीजर मान लेते हैं, कोई भी एक पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स मान लेते हैं x, और n is any positive integer, then the number which when raised to the power n, आपको x मिल जाता है. जिस नंबर का पावर n लिखने पर आपको x मिल जाता है, उसको हम बोलेंगे yes nth root of x. जैसे कि हमने मान लिया x की जगह में 81 है, और ये नंबर जो पावर जो है 4 है, तो कोई भी एक नंबर a मान लेते हैं. a का पावर 4 कर देने पर अगर आपको 81 मिलता है, कोई भी एक नंबर a का पावर 4 करो तो आपको 81 मिलता है, तो हम इसको एक्सप्रेस करेंगे कि a is equals to 4th root of 81. ठीक है, यहां पे बहरहाल हमें a का वैल्यू पता है, ये it will be 3. It will be 3. 4th root of 81 is 3. So it is expressed like this: for any positive integer, or for any real number x and n be any positive integer, the number which when raised to the power n, here n is 4, the number which when raised to the power n gives the number that is positive integer, then it is called, or it is written as 4th root of 81, that is nth root of x. Alright, तो ये हो गया nth root का मीनिंग. अब जाते हैं नए टॉपिक में. जैसे कि हमको पता है कि रेडिकल या फिर सर्ड किसे कहा जाता है? सर्ड, SURD, सर्ड और रेडिकल. यू कैन राइट द हेडलाइन ऑफ द न्यू टॉपिक एज सर्ड और रेडिकल. SURD, सर्ड और रेडिकल. Okay, this is our new topic, that is surd or radical. It's a very interesting thing, but nowadays in our course of class 9th standard syllabus regarding surd or radical. It is not mentioned, and that's why students are finding difficult solving the problems related to surd or radicals. That's why I have tried to make a video, short video on surd and radicals, so that you can understand this all proper way and the methods how to deal with these things. अब मान लेते हैं कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर हो, a be any rational number, let a be a rational number, let a be any rational number, any rational number. तो अगर a कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर है, if a is any rational number and n be a positive integer, n be a positive integer, be a positive integer and root of a is irrational. कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर है a is any rational number और n be any positive integer and n be any positive integer. A is a rational number and n is a positive integer. अगर n root of a irrational निकलता है तो it will be known as surd. It will be known as surd of order n. Okay, of order n. Okay, कोई भी एक नंबर मान लेते हैं 3 cube root of 5. Is it a surd? Yes, it is a surd of order 3 because here index is 3. Yes, index is 3 and radical is 5. So it is a surd of order 3. Is it a rational number? No, it is not a rational number. Clearly it is irrational number. Irrational number. But only 5 is rational. But जैसे ही आप लोग इसको क्यूब रूट ऑफ 5 लिखते हो या फिर स्क्वायर रूट भी बना देते हो, बट क्यूब रूट ऑफ 5 और स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 5 these are irrational. ओके, कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर हो, जैसे ही आप इसको रेडिकल लगा देते हो, अगर कोई भी कुछ भी रेडिकल हो सकता है, स्क्वायर रूट हो सकता है, क्यूब रूट हो सकता है. If you write the radical of that rational number and it becomes irrational, then such radicals or such numbers are known as what? Surd. अभी मान लेते हैं और एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे लेट अस कंसीडर वन एग्जांपल. इसको सर्ड को थोड़ा डीपली समझने के लिए हम मान लेते हैं एक एग्जांपल. जैसे कि मान लो 3 है. क्या है? 3 है आपके पास. यू हैव 3. अभी 3 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? हाउ कैन वी रिप्रेजेंट 3 नाउ? यस, 3 को अगर हम 3 is a rational or irrational? Yes, it is clearly a rational number. It is a rational number. Rational number. But what about root over 3? Is it a rational number? It is irrational. Irrational number. ठीक उसी तरह cube root of 3, is it rational? Of course it is irrational number. ठीक है, तो ये जो बात है, these things are called surd. This is called surd. But what about 9? 9 is a rational number. Rational number. What about root over 9? Is it a rational number? Yes, root over 9 is equals to 3, so it is also a rational number. Is also a rational number. In this case, root over 9 is not a surd. It is not a surd. Not a surd. याद रहे, सर्ड होने के लिए स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ कुछ भी हो या फिर कुछ भी रेडिकल हो, रेडिकल टू द नंबर, इफ इट मस्ट बी इरेशनल नंबर. अगर ये इरेशनल नंबर है, देन इट इज नोन एज सर्ड. If root over 9 is written, root over 9 is equals to 3, you know, and 3 is a rational number. So root over 9 is also a rational number. That's why we cannot say that root over 9 is a surd. It is not a surd. ये surd नहीं है, पर root over 3 is a surd. Root over 4, yes, root over 4 is also not a surd because root over 4, you know, that is a 2. Square root of 4 is found, that is 2. So root over 4 is not a surd, but root over 5, yes, that is a surd. कोई भी रैशनल नंबर जिसका आप रेडिकल लगाते ही, जिसको आप रेडिकल से जोड़ते ही वो इरेशनल बन जाता है, दोज आर नोन एज सर्ड. Okay, those irrational parts are known as surd. So in this topic we have discussed what is surd. Now you can write the definition of surd if you wish. You can write the definition. I'm going to write the definition on the board so that you can copy the definition also. Okay. Okay, so we have written here definition. सबसे पहले हम समझ लेते हैं definition क्या है surd और radical का. Let a be a rational number and n be a positive integer. a कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर है. a क्या है? एक रैशनल नंबर है. और n क्या है? एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर है. a is a rational number and n is any positive integer. तो nth root of a is irrational. तो nth root of a is called a surd. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? surd बोलेंगे. ठीक है. और a radical of order n है. And a is called radical. कोई भी एक इंटीजर, कोई भी एक रैशनल नंबर हो and a be any positive integer, अगर हम ऐसे लिखते हैं nth root of a and it becomes irrational number, then nth root of a is known as surd या फिर radical of order n. यहाँ पे nth root है तो ये order n हो गया and a is called the radical. For example, we have taken an example here. Cube root of 5 is a surd of order 3. इसका कारण क्यों है? Because 5 is a rational number and cube root of 5 is irrational number. कोई भी एक rational number का ऐसे हम radical form में लिखते ही अगर ये if it becomes an irrational number then that is called surd. But root over 9 is not a surd. इसका कारण क्या है? Because you know that root over 9 is equals to 3 and 3 is a rational number. स्क्वायर रूट लिखने के बाद भी इसका ये रैशनल नंबर ही है. Since after writing the surd, that means radical form, it is still a rational number. Therefore, it cannot be a surd. But this can be a surd because it is irrational number. ठीक है. So this is how we are writing the definition. You can note it. You can pause the video. After that, note the definition. Then soon after this. Surd can have different order. Okay, a surd with order. I hope you have written this. Pause the video, write this, and let me continue after this. Okay, now order of surd. A surd can have different order. As we are writing, we are expressing surd like this: nth root of a. This n value can have different. It can have different value. N can be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. 1 cannot be 2, 3, 4, 5. And so on. If n is equals to 2, then we are writing this or only this. Only this is written. Only this is written. 2 root of a it is not written. Or square root of a it is not written. It is read as a square root. Okay, it is read as a square root. If 2 is there, we are not writing 2, not showing 2. Then 3 onwards. If 3 is there, it is called cube root. And if 4 is there, then it is called biquadratic surd. Okay, cubic surd, biquadratic surd, then quadratic surd, like that. If the if the order is 2, then it is called quadratic surd. If order is 2, quadratic surd. If order is 2, quadratic surd. If order is 2, quadratic surd. If order is 3, then it is called cubic surd. Cubic surd. Then if order is 4, then it is called biquadratic surd. Quadratic surd. So and so. So a surd can have different order, and depending on the order on the surd, it is expressed as quadratic surd or cubic surd. If the order is 2, quadratic surd. If the order is 3, then it is called cubic surd. If order is 4, then it is called biquadratic surd. So these are some examples. Okay. So now we are going to learn some laws of surds. Okay. The first law says So we have written here laws of surds. The first law I have written, for any positive integer n and a positive rational number x, we are writing nth root of x whole to the power n is equals to x. ये होता यूं है कि nth root of x we can write nth root of x whole to the power n है. फिलहाल हम इस पावर को ना लिखें तो nth root of x we can write it as x to the power 1 by n. तो अगर इसमें पावर n है, इसमें अगर पावर n है तो इसका भी पावर क्या होगा? n होगा. Ultimately it will be x raised to the power 1 by n into n. तो ये क्या होगा? ये नीचे वाला n और ऊपर वाला n कैंसिल हो जाएगा और अल्टीमेटली x जो है रह जाएगा. ठीक है, तो हम एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. एग्जांपल के तौर पे अगर आपके पास क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 है और होल टू द पावर 7 रखा हुआ है, सॉरी होल टू पावर 3 लिखा हुआ है, होल क्यूब लिखा हुआ है, तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू फॉर दिस? दिस विल बी 7. ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? ऐसा ऐसे हो सकता है, देखो आप कि क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 कैन बी रिटन एज क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7, यू नो क्यूब रूट ऑफ 7 इज इक्वल्स टू 7 टू द पावर 1/3. अभी इसका अगर क्यूब है, there is cube, then there will also be a whole cube. There will also be a whole cube, and ultimately this can be written as x to the power 1, 7 to the power 1/3 into 3. This 3 will be cancelled, and ultimately answer will be 7. So this is the first law of surd. Now the second law will be. So the second law says that for any positive integer n and positive rational numbers x and y, nth root of x into nth root of y can be written as nth root of x into y. ऐसा इसलिए होता है क्योंकि हमें पता है, you know that this is x to the power n into this is y to the power n. So y to the power 1 by n, sorry, x to the power 1 by n, this is y to the power 1 by n. Alright, and since the powers are same, you can combine the powers, and when you combine the powers, it will be x into y whole to the power 1 by n, and x into y whole to the power 1 by n का मतलब ही ये होता है, जैसे कि आपको पता है कि n root of a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. इसका उल्टा क्या होगा? a to the power 1 by n can be written as n root of a. So similar way, this can be written as n root of x y, x into y. So ये बातें देखिए. So this is actually the second law. What the second law says? If n be any positive integer and any two rational numbers x and y, so इसको ऐसे लिखा गया है n root of x into n root of y can be written as n root of x into y. ये कैसा बनता है, कैसे बन गया ये हमने यहाँ पे दिखा दिया है. और अभी एक एग्जांपल के तौर पे हम लिख सकते हैं, जैसे कि 3 root of 4 into 3 root of 5, 3 root of 4 into 3 root of 5, ये एग्जांपल है. ठीक है, तो हम इसको कैसे लिखें? कंबाइन करो थर्ड रूट ऑफ क्यूब रूट ऑफ 4 into 5, that is cube root of 20. All right, so this is the second law. Now the third law says, okay, this is the third law. The third law says that for any positive integer n and positive rational numbers x and y, we can write nth root of a by nth root of b can be written as nth root of a by b. For example, one example you can take. Say for example, nth root of 20 is there, and divided by nth root of, say, third root of cube root of 20 is there, and cube root of 5 is there. How will you write this? It will be cube root of 20 by 5, and you know that 20 by 5 is, yes, 20 by 5 is 4 times, yes. So it will be cube root of 4. Okay, this is the third law. And with an example we have discussed the third law. So very simple, I think. We need not to take more example. I think you have understood. I hope so. The fourth law now. Let's see what is the fourth law. See, fourth law, actually these things are expected to be known by class 9 standard students, but sometimes it creates, or these things may create problems. That's why I have tried to make a video to make